Understanding oven settings, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of oven settings. This is a common term you'll encounter in cooking and kitchen contexts, especially if you're into baking or roasting. Understanding these settings will help you in following recipes more accurately and making your cooking experience smoother. So, let's dive in. Oven settings refer to the various controls and modes available on an oven to regulate its temperature and cooking method. These settings are crucial for preparing different types of dishes. They can include temperature controls, timer settings, and special modes like broil, bake, or roast. Each setting has a specific purpose, and using the right one is key to achieving the desired cooking results. Temperature control. This is the most basic setting. It allows you to set the oven's internal temperature. Temperatures are usually measured in degrees Celsius, degree C, or Fahrenheit, degree F. Timer. The timer setting helps you set how long the oven should run. It's essential for ensuring that food is not overcooked or undercooked. Bake. This setting is used for most baking recipes like cakes, cookies, and pastries. It heats the oven evenly from top and bottom, providing a consistent temperature. Broil. Broiling involves high heat from the top element of the oven. It's great for browning or crisping the top of a dish, like cheese toppings. Roast. Roasting uses a combination of heat sources to cook food evenly. It's ideal for meats and vegetables, giving them a browned, flavorful exterior. 1. Preheat your oven. This means turning it on and letting it reach the desired temperature before placing your food inside. 2. Know your recipes. Some dishes require specific settings for the best results. 3. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different settings to see what works best for your oven and recipes. I hope this video helps you understand the different oven settings and how to use them effectively. Remember, cooking is as much about experimentation as it is about following instructions. Happy cooking and see you in the next video!